So hi everyone, good morning. Our today's topic is area related to circle. Area related to circle. Okay. Now you know very well about the circle. Okay. Now what is the definition of the circle? Circle is the set of points. Circle is a set of points. Set of points which have equal distance from fixed point. Right? Means circle, many points are here are known as set of points which have equal distance from a fixed point is known as center. The distance, equal distance from every point is known as radius, isn't it? So this is the circle definition, you know very well in your earlier classes, right? Study. Now we are discuss about the area of the circle, then you know sector and segment we'll discuss right now, then perimeter means circumference, okay, and then problem based on the area and perimeter related to the some geometrical and plane figures, isn't it? So first you discuss about the area of circle. Simply you know area of circle. Yes, say each one of you. Yes sir, we know area of circle is pi r square, isn't it? Pi r square, where pi is 22/7 or 3.14. Okay, whatever given in the question, accordingly that you put the value of pi. Then circumference C is 2 pi r, isn't it? Circumference 2 pi r and area of circle is pi r square. Now this becomes the diameter. Okay, then you see if you divide the circle in the 4 quadrant, right, each is become 90-90, isn't it? With the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and you can say fourth quadrant. This is 90. Okay, means theta is 90. Clear? So 1/4 area of one quadrant becomes area of quadrant, right? 1/4 of pi r square. 1/4 pi square. Then area of semicircle. Area of semicircle. Semicircle means half circle. That is pi r square by 2. So 1/2 pi r square. Okay, these are the basic, you know very well. Now see about sector and segment. It's very important. Sector and segment. Clear? So now see here. Right? Binding by two radius. Okay. Okay, both the radius are you know equal. Right? So from two radius, the area swept becomes in the circle are known as sector. This known as the sector. AOB, right? This complete known as sector. This known as sector. Okay, then what is segment? Right? This becomes segment. The portion divided by the chord are known as segment. You see here. These are the segment. Now this less than diameter, okay, not semicircle, so it becomes the minor, and this becomes major. Clear? Segment. Same thing here, minor sector, and the rest of part of the circle is major sector. Right? Now see, I am telling you in very simple way to remember the formula of the sector and segment. Okay, and then length of, also we can find the length is perimeter of the sector and segment. Now see, sorry, first of all we are saying about talking about the sector, right? Suppose this angle is theta. Clear beta? And this complete angle is, you know, if I just compare this complete angle 360, अगर हम उसको पूरा लेंगे तो पूरा 360 बन जाता है. रोटेट करेंगे इसको तो this is 180, and then come back, then becomes 360. So simply compare here, okay, area of circle or area of sector upon area of circle. Okay, रेशियो निकालिए बेटा. Area of sector अगर हम इसे कंपेयर करें, सेक्टर के लिए एंगल क्या बन रहा है, थीटा। सर्कल के लिए एंगल क्या बना आपका, कंप्लीट एंगल। जब सर्कल आप घूम के आगे कंप्लीट रेडियस, वापस रेडियस से आप आगे, तब सर्कल बनेगा, मींस 360। ओके, जस्ट वी कंपेयर द सेक्टर एंड द सर्कल. फॉर सेक्टर इज थीटा एंड फॉर सर्कल इट इज 360. सो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, जितना आप एरिया कवर करेंगे उतना एरिया का रेशियो निकलेगा. तो एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर बिकम्स हियर, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर सिंपली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इसको रटना नहीं है, आपको समझना है. 360, देन एरिया ऑफ सर्कल, area of circle, and this is theta upon 360 means pi r square, that is area of sector. In this way we can find the area of minor sector. Clear? Theta means whatever angle is given here, 60, 90, 45, okay, 120. Accordingly we put the value of the sector, center angle, then put value of pi, and then radius, we can find the area of sector. If you need the major sector, okay, then just simply subtract from the area of circle. Area of circle minus area of minor sector. So this your first formula becomes area of sector. Clear? Now then see, this is okay. Length of arc. This is known as the arc. Okay, this is known as arc. Okay, arc of the circle, circumference known as arc. So we write here length of arc. Length of arc upon this complete circumference, upon circumference equals to length of arc. If you see, the angle becomes theta, and here 360 for complete circumference, 360. Therefore length of arc equal to theta upon 360, and you can cross multiply it by circumference, and you know circumference is 2 pi r. So here are the two formulas. Okay, area of sector theta upon 360 pi r square, length of arc theta upon 360 2 pi r. Now see very important result. Okay, when we combine it again we will get one beautiful result here. See the combination of these two. Okay, and suppose you want to note down it, please pause the video. Okay, go back and do once again. Now see, area of sector as you just written here, theta upon 360 pi r square. Okay, and length of arc theta upon 360 2 pi. Okay, you can say 1 upon 1 theta upon 180 also you can say, no problem. So simply write here theta upon 360, okay, 2 pi r into r upon 2. Both are same thing. Pi r square I have written, pi r into r, write 2 times and multiply and divide by 2. Okay, multiply and divide by 2. Simply we check here. So you see this is 1 by 2. Okay, written here. Then write theta upon 360 and this 2 pi r and r. Okay, now see the result here. This 1 by 2 I have written here, theta upon 360, this 2 pi r, and write r separate. Okay, then this is the formula of what? L. So 1 by 2 L r. Area of sector, area of sector is half L r. This is the third formula. Area of sector is half L r. See once again, theta upon 360 pi r square. Pi r square I have written as 2 pi r into r upon 2. Okay, divide and multiply by 2. Then this 2 I have taken here, 1 by 2 theta upon 360 and 2 pi r as it is, and this is the r remaining here. But because this becomes complete your formula L, this is L. So area of sector is 1 by 2 of L r. Clear? Now in the next step we will find the area of what? Segment. Area of segment. This depends on your segment. Area of segment 60, 90 and 120. These are in your syllabus. 60, 90 and 120. Okay. Now you see, if angle is 60 degree, then it becomes equilateral triangle. So area of triangle, area of sector you know very well. Area of sector is theta upon 360 pi r square, and when this angle is theta is 60 degree, then area of triangle root 3 by 4 r square, because radius becomes same. Okay, when it is 90, we will say area of triangle is half r square, because this becomes 90. So both the radius b and h are equal half r square. When this 120 degree, then find area of triangle. Okay, we will see it in the next video.